Okay, let's go now and set the rest of our passwords. I'm going to go ahead and enter the global configuration mode. What I'm going to do now is I want to set the passwords on my lines. I have 3 lines. I have a console, I have an auxiliary of course, and I have my virtual terminal or telnet, which includes 5 sessions. So let's go ahead and set those now. What I'm going to do to start is to start with line con 0. Now I've shortened the word console. You can use line console space 0 if you want to. But this is the more traditional way to enter this a little bit quicker. And notice my context change. Here I am in the line area. So now I can actually indicate the word login to turn on login authentication. What does it tell me? Logons are now disabled on line 0 and will be until the password is set. Based upon the command I just entered, this has taken place. If I would have entered the same command on a 2800 series router, it would not have given me that display. And that's why I wanted to start with a 3800 series so you can see everything that's going on. So what I've just done is I just turned on login processing. Now it needs to have a password set so it can succeed. So I'm going to go ahead and type in the word password, and let's go ahead and make our console password the word console so that we can keep track of it easily. We'll hit enter, and this has now taken place. Let's go back to the root with Control-Z. Wait for a second. We'll get this little bothersome message here. And now we're at the root of our privilege mode. Let's go ahead and do a show run again and take a look at our console password. Now we have to scroll all the way to the bottom. Now keep in mind, like every terminal emulation program, if I want to scroll line by line, I use enter. And if I want to scroll the whole page at a time, I use the space bar. And that'll go ahead and take me the whole page down. Now, do you notice what has happened to our console port? You see that? It has turned on login processing, which was previously not on, and it also has the password set to the word console. So I have effectively set my console password. What that's going to mean is that I should be prompted for another password when I log into my router.